So this is how you need to bring your YouTube videos into browse features. Hello and welcome everyone to the brand new episode of Gyan Guru Sandy. This is Sandeep here. You will be surprised today that today's lecture is in English. That's because one of my good friend has requested that please make one of the videos in English. So this is my first trial, and here we are going to discuss how to bring your YouTube videos into browsing list or browse search. So let's get started. So basically, if your videos are being shown in the YouTube search browser list, it means that your traffic is good, your views are good. How? That depends upon 5 main things. That is consistency, content, variety in content, main source of video, and a little bit of clickbait. Let us discuss all these 5 things in detail. So first of all, we'll discuss main source of my videos, that is browse videos and suggested videos. First of all, I'll try to differentiate between browse videos and suggested videos so that you don't have any kind of doubt. Browse videos means that YouTube will promote your video or show your video on the home page with your thumbnail as well as your title, so that people tend to find you easily on the home page. Suggested videos means you are watching others videos and there you get to see your own video. So that is called suggested videos. It's a little bit tough to get into the suggested videos, but it's quite easier to get into the browse videos. So what is the basically use of that browse videos? People don't prefer to go and search you. They prefer to those videos which are being shown on the home page, and most probably the first or the second videos. Even if they have to scroll a little bit, they will scroll down, but they will not scroll too much down. So if you are featuring in the browse video, if your videos are featuring in the browse videos, it is much easier for you to get viral. So the second thing that is very important is consistency. I am not exactly following the same sequence which I had mentioned in the introduction, but the theme will be same. So what do we mean by consistency? It means regular posting of the videos. What do you mean by the regular posting? Suppose we are posting one video in a week, the day and time should be mentioned. Or if we are posting 4 videos in a month, that day and timing should also be scheduled. You may mention it also somewhere. You have to follow the record. Suppose you are posting a video on Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 8 p.m. Then you should try to post it at the promised time. This will enhance the browsing appearance, and people, the subscribers who are waiting for your videos, will also like and increase your views by attending the videos at that time. Suppose somebody is excelling in a tech field or in a singing field, the subscribers who have subscribed them know that at this time and on this date the new videos will be arriving, and they will be waiting to listen to your whatever topics you are dealing with. So consistency is playing one of the important role in making your videos come into the browsing features. So third very important topic is the variety in the content. Means you are posting those things which normally is not found in the search videos. People who post videos which are very regular or very common, and if you are posting something which is a little different, that helps you in enhancing the traffic. Many a times people watch your videos regularly, they even watch your old videos regularly. So browse features coming into the search with a little different taste, a little different variety will enhance making or bringing your videos into the browse search and making you viral. The chances of becoming viral becomes more. Next important thing is a little bit of clickbait. Now many of you will not understand what is clickbait. Let me explain it to you. It means that thumbnail and title dictate something else, and in the video you deviate a little bit from the topic or the thumbnail, only a little bit. A little bit of clickbait enhances the traffic, again brings your videos into the browse features. Supposing your title is how to motivate a person who is in trouble, and inside the video you are just telling that it's impossible to motivate a person who is in trouble. You start by that. This is clickbait. So sometimes clickbait clicks. Even I am a new YouTuber. I also have a very little experience. I had just completed 1 month, but by seeing others videos or by taking experience from the senior lords, I have come to know that clickbait helps a little in becoming your videos viral. So a little bit of clickbait is allowed. Last but not the least is the content. Your content should be interesting. It should be able to make you realize or make others realize that yes, the topic that you have touched is interesting. Supposing your thumbnail is good, your title is good, your tags are good, but your content is not good, it is not convincing, it is of no use. So the content should be interesting, communication should be legible, people should understand what you are trying to convey. So this is how you need to bring your YouTube videos into browse features. So in very short and crisp video, I have tried to convey how to bring your YouTube videos into browsing features, because my aim is to take all my new friends who are new to YouTube, new on YouTube, to come along with me so that their videos also come into the browsing features, so that they also grow along with me. Hope you like the video. Friend, I have tried to make the video in English for you only. Maybe you will like it, maybe others will also like it. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. But don't make all the efforts go in vain. Subscribe to the channel, it's absolutely free, and if you want this kind of more videos, you can hit the bell icon. Hope you love the video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.